Okay, Andy, now I can throw some rocks in.
Tongdosa is located in Yangsan, north of Busan. In the interest of time, we drove in and parked in the closer parking lot. But if you want to park in the outer lot, I hear the walk up to the temple is very nice. We met a man who gave us some bongtwigi rice cakes. They were the multicolor kind, which the kids thought was pretty cool. We stopped to get pictures with our zodiac animals. This bridge is called Samsung Panwolgyo, which means 3 stars and a half moon. There's a tiger up there. A tiger.
And the elephant.
Oh yeah.
That's not going in a higher pitch, Andy. That's just a higher octave.
Maybe that's what he was trying to do. The blue color on these doors is not one that you see a lot. These places, it's kind of cool.
I call it period.
Yeah, it's kind of periwinkle-ish. While we were in Korea, we were able to visit all 3 jewel temples. Tongdosa is the temple representing the Buddha. The main hall, instead of having a statue, has a window looking out on a courtyard where relics of the historical Buddha Siddhartha Gautama are enshrined. One thing that's unusual about Tongdosa is that many of the buildings have been allowed to weather rather than being repainted, which gives the temple an added air of ancient solemnity. The afternoon light gave the wooden buildings and the yellow clay walls a warm golden glow. Guryongji means 9-dragon pond. The story goes that when the monk Jang was establishing the temple, there were 9 evil dragons living in a lake here. 8 of them were driven out, but the remaining one begged to be spared and allowed to stay in exchange for guarding the temple. The grounds are really pretty. There are also 19 hermitages around the temple. We didn't get to see any of them, but maybe we'll go back someday. We drove to Ulsan to our Airbnb in the iPark apartments. The place was very nice, and I got to use the washing machine, which made me happy after I'd been washing things out by hand for a few days. They had a cute little dog named Shalom that Kate had fun playing with. play with Kate. Go play with Kate.
Thanks for watching.